Prepare these macaroni with meat and cheese. I am very sure that your family will love them. I will start first by cutting the top of 3 ripe tomatoes. Then I will cut the tomatoes in half and finally into pieces. Quickly, I will take the cut tomatoes to the blender. Guys, the macaroni with meat and cheese that we are making are very easy to make and it looks delicious. I am sure everyone in your family will like the result. I will also add in the blender 2 slices of large onion together with the tomatoes. Then I will add a tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt. I will cover and blend these ingredients very well for 2 minutes. And so in this way we should stay. In a frying pan I will add a little olive oil. Then I will add all the mixture of the blender and stir a little to incorporate the tomato mixture with the olive oil. Then I will season by adding a teaspoon of salt. And I will stir constantly for 5 minutes until it becomes a slightly thick sauce. And so in this way we should stay. In a pot with boiling water I will add a teaspoon of salt. I will also add 250 grams of pasta. And I will let cook over high heat for 7 minutes or as directed on the package. After the time our pasta is already cooked, I will remove it from the hot water. In another pan I will add a splash of olive oil, a finely cut onion, 2 garlic cloves, crushed. And I will fry these ingredients very well. When I know they're fry well, I will add 350 grams of ground beef and spread it a little with the help of a spatula. Now I'm going to season by adding a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of oregano, a pinch of black pepper. And I will mix until the meat changes color. Once the meat there changed color, I will add the tomato sauce that I have prepared and stir a little to incorporate it with the ground beef. At this point I will add all the cooked pasta that I had reserved. At this moment I would like to know, from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Martin Flomo from Liberia, also for Teresa Areno from Philippines. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. And I'm going to add 50 grams of grated mozzarella cheese and mix to incorporate the pasta with the ground beef. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe, so leave us here below the following message: I love macaroni, to send you a very special greeting. Finally, I will add a little more mozzarella cheese. I will cover and let cook over low heat until the cheese melts. And already our macaroni with meat and cheese are ready. Look how delicious they have been. Sure that your family will love it. Although I would like you to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 to know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Recipes Oni and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes. A hug and see you in the next recipe.